The formal court summons, exclusively obtained by the U.S. Sun, accuses teen mom Jenelle Evans' husband David Eason of causing injuries to her son's left and right side of his neck. Vibrant court records reveal that in a September incident, David willingly injured Jenelle's 14-year-old son Jace. According to the court filing, as the parent of Jace V. Evans, who was a minor and under 16 years old, the defendant did unlawfully and voluntarily inflict physical harm on that child. The physical injury inflicted caused marks on their right arm and left and right side of the neck, and was inflicted by other than accidental means. According to several accounts, the purported encounter occurred on September 28, which is also the day Jace said his stepdad had struck him. Although the Columbus County Clerk's office stated that David's summons was served on October 25, it was actually issued on October 24. None of the accusations made against David have been addressed by him to date. After being placed in the custody of CPS, David was returned to his grandmother Barbara, despite any potential criminal charges related to the alleged attack. A judge approved his grandmother's continued caretaker status during a special court hearing on Wednesday that Jenelle, Barbara, and Jace attended. The U.S. Sun first revealed details of Jace's purported injuries in early October. Jace was rushed to the hospital on Thursday, September 28, following his third escape, according to an informant who spoke to the U.S. Sun at the time. There, he reportedly reported to medical professionals, a therapist, the Columbus County Sheriff of North Carolina, and an employee of Child Protective Services, CPS, that he had been physically assaulted by Jenelle's 35-year-old spouse, David. Everyone Jace spoke with listened to him, the source said, and took the allegations seriously. The source said at the time that the authorities found marks on his arms and neck. According to the source, Jace stated in the hospital that the violent event happened the night before he fled. That source had claimed that witnesses were present for the purported event, which allegedly happened outside someone else's home. The source also mentioned this: to record the event, they used a Ring camera. CPS documented the entire incident, the source continued. Authorities have also taken Jenelle's other kids into custody so they can be questioned. A judge ordered Jenelle to remove her children, Kaiser and Ensley, from their North Carolina house known as The Land and bring them in for interrogation by CPS, without her or her husband David present, as the U.S. Sun had reported. Court sources claim that during a special hearing held earlier in October, the Teen Mom 2-star received criticism from a caseworker for previously making it difficult for CPS to interview her children. On their North Carolina farm, Jenelle and David are the parents of 3 other minors. Along with Ensley, age 6, who he shares with Jenelle, they have David's 16-year-old daughter Marisa with them. They are not alone on the property. Jenelle's 9-year-old son Kaiser lives with her ex-husband Nathan Griffith.